Welcome to another product presentation from TIS. This time it is the TIS819SIKIT, an affordable safety isolation kit to make sure that we can safely isolate when working on electrical installations in the place of work or wherever. So the kit consists of firstly a TIS819, which is a fully compliant BSEN 61243 Part 3 voltage tester, which means it actually works without a battery and indicates up to 690 volts. In the kit you get a proving unit essentially, which also is tagged onto a pouch, so we can prove our voltage tester is working. Nice and bright LEDs, so the voltage tester is working before we test. Also in the kit we have all the relevant lock-off devices to comply. So I have a multi-tool lock-off device, we have an MCB pin in lock, an MCB pin out lock, the actual padlock itself, again importantly, with just one key, not multiple keys, so only one person can unlock that. A multi-padlock hasp, so we can have a few people locking off the same circuit and nobody else able to unlock that circuit. And finally, a danger label and the trusty old permanent marker pen, and then all of that is housed in a little bum bag to keep everything together and to make sure nothing is lost. So once again, the TIS819SIKIT. Thank you for watching.